Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 won't send MMS messages. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on messages and then in messages scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. Now click on delete to confirm and then go back, and in settings scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And then here scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen password.